Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to enable new Start menu features in beta and dev version Windows 11. See old version of Start menu install in my computer. Now go this link and download vivetool. Extract vivetool in C drive system 32 folder. Type cmd, run cmd as administrator. Copy the command text key. Paste the text key and press enter. See the features added successfully. Restart your computer. See new Start menu features added and working successfully. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.